What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So right now we are at Little Sahara, Oklahoma. This is in the USA for anybody that is not in the United States, and we're riding a Laegers 450R. So this is actually a really rare quad. For people that aren't familiar, Laegers is an aftermarket company that makes frames with 250R geometry, and it is built for a CRF450R dirt bike motor. So this one has a 2002 CRF450R motor in it. It was originally built by Baldwin Motorsports, so right now it has factory bore and crank. It does have mild head porting that was done by Baldwin. Baldwin exhaust, Baldwin intake. It has Jet Lab ported carburetor with 41.5 millimeter. The whole thing was just freshened up, rebuilt, and restored by DBC Racing. So this is not actually my quad. This belongs to DBC Racing. Super awesome that they let me rip this thing. So enjoy the video, guys, and if you do enjoy it, please give me that thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in this content, and definitely hit that little bell so you get notifications when I post new videos. If you're interested in seeing other riding footage on this quad and my 250R and a couple other machines, definitely check out the whole Little Sahara series. All right, guys, enjoy the video. For the first couple races, I couldn't see who was flagging the race, so I was kind of just going when everybody else went. Oh my God. So if you've never ridden in the sand before, when you get stuck behind somebody, especially if you're drag racing, the sand stings pretty bad. It actually feels like you're getting sand blasted. So usually you have to let off, and you definitely want to be wearing goggles.
Damn, I ate sand that time, holy hell. Reed, are you starting first or second? First?
Of course, everybody wants to know numbers, right? Well, we did have this thing dyno tuned about 2 days before. The best pulls it had were about 49.14 horsepower and 33.59 torque. Now, the dyno that we went to is notorious for running low numbers, so with an estimated 10% correction, the quad has about 54 horsepower and 36.95 torque.
Got Reed on the end there. I think Mark is the third one in.
All right, so this is a buddy of mine that I met out at the dunes. He goes by Backpack. I actually don't know his real name, which is kind of funny, but I believe he's on a 330R. I don't know all of the specs of that quad, but I'm almost certain it was a 330cc 250R. So that's what we're running up against.
That was a good race. Yeah. That's all on the launch, dude. They're almost exactly the same speed.
So Backpack and I were a pretty good match, but you can see some of these other guys are like flying way out in front of us. This guy right here, this is Mark. He's on I believe it's a 363R, and it's worked pretty well. I mean, he was smoking a lot of people out there.
Again? Who's starting the race? I didn't see it last time.
Alright guys, I appreciate you watching the video. If you want to see the full series at Little Sahara, make sure to check out all the videos in the Little Sahara playlist. I'll link that right here. Huge thank you to DBC Racing for letting me rip this CRF Hybrid, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Finally got a good launch.